Hey guys, Vaughn here. Doing something a little different today. We're going to unbox some screen protectors for the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. So this is going to be for the first Air iPhone, really. And I'm trying to think of what's a good way to open this without maybe getting into my personal data on the other side. Well, look at that, wow. Screen protectors galore. So this package comes from TechMat. Their amFilm screen protector line is going to be available on the iPhone 17 Air. So let's have a kind of a look at what this kind of looks like. Imagine, if you will, this is a dummy unit of that iPhone 17 Air. First, let's take a look inside their OneTouch screen protector packaging. Oh, we've got some protectors for the camera. Sticky cleaning tape here for removing dust. That's nice. Additional accessories. Ooh, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, even a wet wipe. Got a little squeegee, and two tempered glass screen protectors, pre-installed in these nice little brackets. Guys, I've done this before with the Switch 2. You cannot mess this up. So we do have a little bit of dust there. Let's go ahead and get rid of that, shall we? Looks pretty clean to me. The amFilm OneTouch tempered glass screen protectors are so easy to put on. I should be able to do this blindfolded, so let's give this a shot. All you gotta do is peel off the sticker in the back and then slide across. And that should about do it. Tray gets everything lined up for you. Shouldn't be an issue. All right, I've gotta get that sticker off the back. There's a tab up here. Feels like I might have done that wrong. Okay, I'm gonna slide my finger across. And now it should adhere to the iPhone 17 Air. It's on. Probably would have been easier without the blindfold. I kind of peeled a little too much and threw the thing out of the bracket, but I think you guys get the point here. I think it's time that we do some drop tests. All right, you've got your iPhone 17 Air and you're doing some gardening, and let's say it slips out of your pocket, okay? This is gonna be a rough test. I am not expecting amFilm's screen protector to withstand this, but oh, pretty good. What if we drop it like flat on the rock? Oh, we did get some scuffs, but hey, this is a rock. Okay, this is not level flat. This is legit. This is in a rock garden. So you would rather this takes a little bit of scuff than the screen of your iPhone 17 Air. That's for certain, right? Well, I think that test worked out pretty well. We've got damage to the screen protector, which protected the device. It protected the screen you would not want damaged, right? And you actually get a second screen protector from amFilm, so you can get back to your gardening. If you're interested in the amFilm tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 17 Air, I've got affiliate links below in the description.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, so I just wanted to remind you that instead of buying Vaughn's weird pictures online in various states of undress, you can just bookmark his Amazon affiliate link, and then when you shop Throw It on Amazon, he gets a few pennies here and there.